Ferrari has unveiled its latest sports car, the 849 Testarossa Spider, to international press and clients. The car, which replaces the SF90 Spider in the range, is a hybrid plug-in supersports berlinetta equipped with 3 electric motors alongside the mid-rear twin-turbo V8, delivering a total of 1,050 CV, 50 more than the car it replaces. The car is both a true coupé and a true Spider, thanks to Ferrari's retractable hardtop, which allows the driver to open and close the roof in just 14 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. This means that the car's extraordinary performance can be enjoyed in any condition and even in plein air, offering an even more vibrant connection with the surroundings and heightened driving emotions. To maximize comfort, a new system has been developed to minimize turbulence inside the cabin. An innovative new wind catcher positioned behind the seats.